been round with my K. Trim my shoebox like a safe. I trim my shoebox like a safe. Nigga hit me, said that they on the way. Overnight, I can't wait for 2 days.
Okay, Garmin. Okay, Garmin. Save video. Yep. What? Hallmark? No.
Are you on your way back?
No, I got in a car accident.
Yo no quería, ella se puso mala. Estoy loco que tú me topes, que te guarda bala. Tu mujer bien bien, a ella le gusta, le encanta la casa sin. A tu coro le hizo un motín. Lo cortamos todo y le quitamos el motor y le quitamos el bling bling. Cero cosas, no te quieren que toquen 30-30. Ellos nada más la mira como mueve el culo. Tú estás todo, y tú estás todo, tú estás de kilo. Tú estás todo, y tú estás todo, tú estás de kilo.
Let's hope they,
What the f were you thinking? What the f are you doing, you dumbass?
Listen, you'll find that I want that 6'9" without the
Shopping, I made me a killer. Look, I got. I don't want nobody to listen. I see him.
There's West Bountiful Park. Get in the left turn lane, buddy.
now, and this is something that a lot of progressives neglect to acknowledge very things like, well, these social media companies might be censoring people, but it's done privately, and like political correctness or wokeism are a real problem. It's all just about just being polite, being a different, respectful and decent person. Of course, in Europe, people are actually prosecuted for saying things.
Holy frick, you're a moron. Slow. What are you stopping for? Holy frick.
I don't bust crayons. What was on it? Like, I don't know how to do that.
Seriously?
Oh my gosh! What a dick.
Related item I wanted in like
Oh, jeez.
fetching, moron.
Frick. Didn't even
Fetching kept
look.
coming too, and I had nowhere to go because there was traffic. Your body's just like trying to slam as much in as it can, like as fast as it can.
Like,